Hi, today we are telling you how to secure your disk or drive using BitLocker. Remember that this feature works only in Pro version of Windows. Firstly, insert flash drive. Then go to your control panel. Then open System and Security panel. Open BitLocker drive encryption. Choose the drive that you want to encrypt. Click on Turn on BitLocker. Enter your password. Click on Save a file to recover BitLocker password if you forget your password. Select the destination where you want to save your recovery file. It is now encrypting. Now remove the flash and insert it again. You can see that now it is encrypted and secure. If you enter wrong password, it will not open. You can see that if you enter wrong password, the disk will not open. It is open now. If you forget your password, you can use your recovery key. Copy that key. Click on More option and click on Enter recovery key. Use Ctrl+V to paste your key. If you like this video, please like, and if you are new to this channel, please subscribe and share. Thanks for watching this video.